Hey yogis, welcome back to Shor Yoga. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to get into side crow. We're going to start standing in chair pose at the top of our mat, so you can bring the big toes together, keep a slight space between the heels, sink the hips, sink into them, take the arms up into the sky, keeping that tailbone tucked, Uddiyana Bandha in. Now to come into side crow, you're going to bring your hands to prayer at heart center. You're going to start to hook that right elbow over the left knee and then press so firmly into your hands that maybe they start to come through heart center. Now, if you have the full hook of that right tricep around the left knee, you can go for this inversion. That's how you know you're going to be ready. So you're going to plant your hands to the left side of your mat nice and firmly. You're going to rotate both elbow creases to point toward this long side of the mat. Bend at both elbows, and you're going to use them as a shelf for your left thigh. Start to lean your weight forward. Grip the mat or the floor with your fingertips. Start to pick up the toes. Maybe you can come parallel. Maybe you can start to extend the legs long. Point the toes and squeeze. And then from here, we'll simply plant the feet back down. Come back into our chair pose. And all the way back to standing. All right, so now we're going to do it from a different perspective just so you can get an idea of what the body looks like from a different angle. So again, we're going to start in our chair pose, bending the knees and sinking the hips, spine nice and long, and then we're going to do it on the other side this time. So you'll bring your hands to prayer, hook the left elbow over the right knee, again press through heart center, and then maybe you plant the hands once again nice and firmly down on the ground, lean your weight forward, bend the elbows, maybe you can pick up the legs, point the toes. Good, and then we'll inhale to come back. Chair pose. Exhale, come to standing. Namaste, yogis. Hey guys, if you like what you see, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and please leave me any feedback or requests in the comments down below. And don't forget to follow me on social media at Shor Yoga, SHORYOGA.